friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we'll be heading down to Carlsbad to take a look at something pretty amazing, and I'm looking forward to showing it to you guys, so let's head on over. In the maze. Finding our way through the maze. Wrong turns. We're lost, I think. Oh, is that it? Yeah. Alright, making progress on the maze. fields this time. Check this out. We're on the far end right now, so we're gonna walk the whole loop. Alright, we're back home. Thank you so much for joining me on today's day trip to the Carlsbad flower fields. I hope you had a really good time. I know I did. It was really great to see this year's blooms. If you do want to plan your own trip, I will put the link in the description below so you can find all the information you need for next year's event. It usually takes place between April and May during the spring season, and all the flowers are in bloom, so definitely recommended if you're in Southern California. But we'll leave it here. Thank you so much again for coming along on today's adventure. If you want to see more just like it, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures like this coming up, so you don't want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. See you all next time. Take care.